let me introduce you what is noise and hearing in the workplace. Noise and hearing in the workplace is the impact of sound levels in the work environment on employees' hearing and overall well-being. It is a critical aspect of occupational safety and health management. Noise and hearing in workplace refers to loud or unwanted sounds from tools, machines, and human activities. Too much noise can harm workers' hearing, making them hard to hear clearly or even causing permanent damage. It is important to control noise level in the workplace for workers' safety and health.
So now let me talk about source of noise in the workplace. Firstly is industrial equipment. It is a heavy machinery, power tools and cutting machines. For example, drill, grinder, electric chainsaw and jigsaw. The second one is environmental noise. Environmental noise is an external factors like traffic, construction site and airports near the workplace. The third one is workers' activities. Workers' activities is manufacturing process that can be extremely noisy. For example, drill, stamping, metal cutting, and grinding. The last one is transportation and vehicle. Vehicle can also generate significant noise due to loud engine sounds. For example, forklift, bulldozer, excavator, and crane.
Noise effect on workers. First, hearing loss. Loud noises lead to a temporary or permanent hearing loss factor, and the pace of which is pretty harmful in a certain situation that make this a very concerning factor. Often gradual, and many workers do not realize the loss until it reaches a significant level. This means the noisy environment are unsafe unless proper hearing protection is involved. Now, hearing loss isn't the only problem. Noise disrupts communication, which lead us to our next point. Communication barrier. Noise condition make it difficult to hear instruction or warning clear out loud. This increases the danger of possibility accidents and injury, since important information may be not received. Ensuring clear communication is vital under these conditions. While communication is imperative, noise also drains worker mental health, which lead us to stress and fatigue. Continuous noise can increase the level of irritability, thus increasing stress level, which in turn may cause fatigue. It doesn't only affect mental capability, but it also decreases alertness and increases the occurrence of mistakes and unsafe behavior. And talking of mistake, let's move on to our last point, reduce constructions. Loud workers' environments make it difficult for the workers to concentrate on their work. Consequently, this can lead to a lot of error and accidents too. They affect workplace safety and efficiency. Let's discuss 3 risks created by noise. First, miswarning. Noise drowns out relevant signals, alarms, or indications of safety that result in miswarning and accidents. This leads us to the next point, how noise changes constructions. Weak constructions. Loud noise make it difficult to construct, especially with machinery-related operation, which may increase the rate of errors. Finally, let's talk about the effect of noise on hearing over time. Long-term exposure to noise result in a permanent hearing loss, along with the influencing productivity and safety.
So today I'm going to share you some information about preventative measures. So for the first one is personal protective equipment, PPE. Equipment worn to minimize exposure to hazards that cause serious workplace injuries and illnesses. For example, earplugs and earmuffs. Earplugs is inexpensive, disposable options that reduce noise but can be uncomfortable for long use. Earmuffs provide a high level of noise reduction and are more comfortable for extended wear. It is very important to avoid ear infections like tinnitus. Education and awareness. Educate employees about noise hazards. Train them to recognize symptoms of hearing damage. Encourage reporting of unsafe noise conditions. Next is administrative control. Changes in work procedures to reduce the duration, frequency, and exposure to hazardous situations. For example, rotate tasks to reduce prolonged exposure, schedule maintenance to ensure machines run smoothly, and the last one is limit workers' time in noisy environments. Another point of preventative measures is engineering control. Engineering control is to protect workers by removing hazardous conditions. For example, install soundproof panels and acoustic barriers on machinery. Replace old machinery with quieter models. Isolate noisy equipment in designated areas. The last one is training and monitoring. Noise monitoring. Regularly measure workplace noise levels to ensure they remain within safe limits by using sound level meter. Hearing test. Regular audiometric testing helps track hearing health over time and catch early signs of hearing damage.
Okay, so now let me explain about safety regulation related to noise and hearing in workplace. So, what is safety regulation? Safety regulation is rules that are put in place to ensure the workplace is safe and not dangerous. Alright, the first one is Occupational Safety and Health Act, OSHA 1994. Requires the employers to ensure a working environment that free from noise hazards. The second one is noise limits. Noise above 85 decibel for 8 hours in workplace requires additional safety measures.
Statistic. The result of a statistical study of hearing problems among workers due to noise exposure at work is there are 22 million workers that are exposed to potentially damaging noise each year. In conclusion, noise workplace can negatively affect hearing problems and overall workers' health. Implementing noise control measures, providing hearing protection, and raising awareness can help prevent these issues and can create a safer and more efficient workplace.